Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to assign from OneDrive for things like note-taking sheets and worksheets that you might want students to fill in and submit for you. In order to do this, you go to Add Materials, Add Assignment, and you click on the OneDrive Assignments. This allows you to attach any file from your files, and when you assign this assignment, then it creates a copy of that file for every single student in your courses. Once you create this assignment, when you click into the assignment, this is what you'll see from a teacher perspective. You'll see the actual document down here. You'll see that you can navigate to each period. And when you go up here and click in progress, you can also kind of check in and see how students are doing on the assignment as they're working on it. If the student has already started the assignment, you'll notice that you can see where they have actually typed into the document. So to distinguish where students are typing in my documents, I always include directions that say something like highlight here and start typing, and then it is always in pink, and students, when they highlight here and start typing, their responses then turn to pink. And so it makes it really easy for me to see their progress or see their work in the things that I'm assigning. Then once you're ready to actually view the submissions that have been submitted, you can go ahead and click up here on submissions. And again, you should be able to see which students have submitted. And you should again be able to see their completed work now at this point. To grade it, you would come up here and click on the scoring box, and you can go ahead and assign it a grade and also type some general comments in for feedback and notes that you want to share with the student. Then you just go ahead and click save, and you're all set to go. Hope this helps. Thanks.